Welcome to my first hair tutorial. I'm getting questions on how is it that I curl my hair. In most of my videos, you'll notice my hair is very bouncy and curly and pretty. So this video is just to show you how easy it is that I do my hair. It literally takes me 10 minutes tops. And when I wash my hair, I let it air dry, and then the next day, like the next day hair, which is this hair today, usually in the morning before going to work, I do this. So it takes literally 10 minutes. It's quick. I use the Belami hair curling iron. It's like this is just a wand, and of course always wear a glove. It came with like a Michael Jackson looking glove type of thing. Let's get started with this curling action. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and I turn it on to the highest heat, let it sit there for like 5 minutes. So while that's sitting there, I will add a heat protectant to my hair. At nighttime, when my hair is damp, I put this in-styling treatment. It's a 5-in-1 perfect hair day treatment from Living Proof. This is just like a sample of something I got, but definitely I highly recommend that you use a heat protectant at all times to spritz something on. I have to buy one. I kind of ran out. I was using a Tresemme one, but since I don't have a heat protectant now, I'll just use this squalene oil, which is like face, body, and hair. So do put something on your hair, you know, because you're about to fry the crap out of your hair. And I usually just do it in my tips. Alrighty, now that that's done, I am gonna go and section off my hair just like this. I don't really do a lot for my hair, honestly. Like I don't do so much hair care. I should be, but I don't. Start off on this side. So this is what I have for the time being, is just this much. I'm gonna put my glove on. I'll just grab this much. And what you do is that you place it down, you place the hair here, and you go backwards. So you just wrap it around. Wait like a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then what I do is keep it there for a few seconds, just so it can lock that curl into place, right? And there you have it, a curl. Next. And then I do the same thing. I grab this much. That's a pretty big amount. Let's do that halfway. Again, place it behind, wrap it around. Hold it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And curl, done. Switch your glove. Let's try it here. Woo! It's hot. I'm gonna do like this much. Point downwards, place it, wrap it around, curl. No, I don't talk to myself like this in the morning for the sake of the video. So wrap it around. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. The reason you want to hold it is so you can keep that warmth, that heat in there, keeps that curl in place. All right, so that's it. The bottom half is done. I'm gonna go and section off another part of my hair. I'm gonna go here, go like this, go like this. Right, we're gonna do this much. Great, and again. So yeah, almost done with my hair, literally less than 10 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. Of course, if you have longer hair, if you have thicker hair, it probably will take longer depending on your hair type. What I'm going to do is, this is what I have left to do. And part of it's from the back. This is the part that I need to do from the back. I'm gonna separate that. Put that away, put this away. This is the back side of my hair. I'm gonna divide that in half and put my glove back on. All right, last part of the hair is the cap. This is what's left. All right, last part wrap it right around. Very important that after you're done wrapping, that you go like this, that you can even wrap it a little bit more. Like you see how you can go like this, wrap it a little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Curl. These curls don't have to be perfect. All right, my curls are all done. The last step that I like to do, I also have a flat iron for this, the Babyliss Pro. This could be found at Ulta. What I usually do is that I will clamp it and I will go towards like downwards like this. And then it'll leave like a great swoop, like it'll just swoop it, you know? Last step is hairspray, so you can keep those curls locked into place. I use Tresemme, I don't know, extra firm control, like level number 4. Everywhere, and I just like to go like this to them. I just spritz it, and that is pretty much all that I do. All right, this completes this hair tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on how you do your hair, how long it takes you, if you have any tips and tricks that I could use. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a quick moment to do so. It's one click away. If you're curious to know how I did this makeup look, I'll go ahead and link the video just up above, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.